What's going on, everyone? It's Cito Baby here, and we're gonna be talking about the two trades that I've taken today. One break even, one win on June 4th, 2026. We're gonna talk about why I took this trade. What did I see? What was going through my thought process, right? So let's get into this. Of course, let's show the profit, right? 690 June 4th. We're on a hot streak right now. This week has been beautiful. Let's get into this trade. Ready? All right, coming into market open, coming into the day, right? We're super bullish, right? We're just all-time highs. We don't know if we want to go short. We don't know if we want to go long. What do we do? Well, let's go to the 4 hour and the hourly. These are really going to tell us what's going on, right? So coming to the 4 hour, we have a bunch of buy side liquidity and a bunch of sell side liquidity. We have our Asia highs, Asia lows, right? And now what, right? This time I'm thinking we're bearish, right? I think we want to come down here. We've been taking all this out. We tap this gap. I want to see how we react out of that, right? So we're coming to the hourly, and now we have an hour gap right here. I want to see how we react out of that. And on the left of us, we have an unfilled hour gap right here. If there is no price action to give you anything over here, we taking all this out, but like what's down here? What could we see, right? We don't have anything in this area. Go back. It's okay to go back. It's actually really good to go back and look at history, right? This hour gap is going to be very strong. Um, so coming into the market morning, we have this 15-minute gap at 9:30, right? Mark that out on ES as well. We have this gap right here as well, right? Right here, market opens right here. We have this 15-minute gap, and I want to see how we play that, right? So market opens up 9:30. We came down into it, we tapped it, and we just rip up. We completely rip up. We're super bullish now. It's too early for me to take a trade, right? So now what? Well, if we're going to be continuing bullish, I want to see a 5-minute gap open up. Maybe something like this. Let me see, where is my brush? Nope, not my brush. Uh, I guess I can use my brush. I want to see us go up, come back down, create a 5-minute gap, and keep going up and catch a continuation model in there, right? That's what I want to see. But we didn't get that, right? What did we get? We got a reaction out of that. And if we were going to react out of that, I want to see all of this get taken out. I want to see these get taken out and this hourly gap that we're in. We have all that low resistance liquidity. So what did I see? I noticed right here we had a 3-minute inversion. Our 3-minute inversion is right here. We close underneath that. I'm in that for my first trade for a short, stops at the wicks. And what am I targeting? I'm targeting all this low-hanging fruit right here. I had a break even right here at this low, this intermediate low. And what happened? I got stopped out at break even. Why? Because we could easily react out of this intermediate low and continue higher. Well, break even. It happens. It's a good trade. I had my idea why I wanted to go short. That's it. So now I'm thinking, all right, if we're going to be continuing bearish, we're just going to keep ripping up and wait for a 5-minute gap to open up. What happens? A 5-minute gap opens up right here. Let me get rid of some of this so you guys can see. So what happens? We open up a 5-minute fair value gap. Boom. Perfect. 5-minute fair value gap gets opened up. Now what? If we're going to be very bullish and disrespect this bearish order flow, I want to see us close above that and continue higher and then catch a 5-minute or 15-minute fair value gap to the upside to continue going higher, right? But what do? We get a reaction out of that. What is that reaction? Well, we have a 1-minute fair value gap right here. 1-minute fair value gap gets uh, disrespected. We closed underneath it. That's my first trade, or my second trade. Stops at the wicks. And what did I target, right? I targeted all of Nope. Wait, what did I target? I think I where did I target? I think I target here. Yeah. Yeah, I target right here. And my close was right at the body. So 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.2 risk to reward. I target this low hanging fruit. I could have targeted a little bit more if I wanted to, probably down here, but it's all right. I just wanted my small piece of the pie, and that was it, right? And we came up and we came down, giving us another inversion. And that was my trade. 5-minute continuation model. This is my bread and butter. I love these types of trades. And that was it. And that's how I made 690 today. And as you can see, look, we literally tapped that hour gap. And what are we doing now? We're literally just going up. I mean, looking on the hourly, yeah, look at that. Boom. We're probably going to go back to all-time highs, probably just take out all this buy-side liquidity. But that's what happens. And what can you do, right? We have to learn to react, right? We have to react to what the market is doing. That's why you don't marry a bias. But that's my trade. Everyone have a blessed day. Cito baby out.